Hello, I'm ALIRAZA. In this video, I'm going to tell you about which campaign type you should choose while creating your Google Ads campaign. Around 7 types of Google campaign types are available when you're trying to create a new campaign. Okay, now that maybe most of you know about which campaign to choose, but in case if you are running Google Ads for the first time, or in case if you're a newbie at Google Ads and you may be having a hard time to choose which type to choose, and in case even if you're a professional and one of the existing type is not working for you and you'll be confused on which type to choose, then I'm going to tell you in this video which campaign type to choose. So before I start, I want you guys to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you guys don't miss a video. I definitely create a lot of videos on Facebook, Google Ads, SEO, Google Merchant Center, and a lot of stuff on digital marketing. So let's get started on this. So once you open your Google Ads account, you are going to see a dashboard like this. What you have to do from your dashboard, select that new campaign from over here, and you are going to be asked which campaign objective to choose. And let's say here we are going with any of the account. Let's say we are going with any of the account. Let's say we choose this account, and then move on to campaign objectives. You are going to see so 7 types of campaign objectives are over there. In case if you're looking to generate more sales, okay, where our sole purpose of campaign creation is just to get more sales, we are going to choose the sales campaign objective. In case if we need more leads, for instance, if you are running a bank, in case if you if you're running an insurance deal, or in case where the sale funnel requires more stages, and on the first stage your data or your task is to generate the contact details and then move on to the second stage, then you can offer the leads. And in case if you are looking just to get more website traffic, or in case if you want to do branding, even for branding, website traffic runs perfect, but there is also a branding campaign tab available as well. And in case if you are opening to people to explore your products or services, then you can run product and brand consideration. It also offers you when you are offering in an e-commerce store, you can also run for this one as well. And in case if you want more branding, more reach, you want your name to be you want your reach to go maximum to the maximum of the people, you can offer the brand awareness. In case if you have a mobile app and you want to promote that, you can use this app promotion. And in case if you have a local store where you want to generate offline visits, then select the local store visits and promotion. And there is an also option to create a campaign without a goals guidance. I definitely do not recommend you for a newbies, but again for professionals there is no harm in running this type of campaign. So once you finalize on that, just move on. And let's say we are going with a sales campaign. Just select from here. In sales campaign, you can see that you offer a search, performance, max display, shopping, video, discovery. So in discovery, what happens is that you can run your ads on YouTube, Gmail, and more. So that is your procedure. So once you select that and then move on, let's say we are going with a search, and then just select your website name and continue and run your campaign. So I hope you like this video, and this was a small on which campaign type to choose. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you and bye bye.